Hello everyone, my name is Varun. In this video, I'm going to show you how to save the machine learning model. So if you see in machine learning, we often deal with different sizes of the data. If the volume of the data is high, we may need a huge amount of time to train the machine learning model. So in order to avoid that, in order to make the prediction very easily and quickly, so we need to save the model and we need to reload the model whenever we want to make the prediction. So in this way, it will be very efficient and it will be very quicker to make the prediction. So let us get started. There are two ways that we can save the model using scikit-learn. One is using the pickle library and other is using the Joblib library. Now I'm going to show you how to use that in Python. Here I have taken a simple linear regression example with respect to the salary prediction based on the experience. If you want to know more about the linear regression model, I have left the link in the top of the description. Now I'm going to show you how to set the model. First, I'm going to import the pickle library. After importing the pickle module, I'm going to save the model to the disk. So here I'm going to write pickle.dump and I'm going to use my model variable, which is regressor in this case. So after that I'm going to open. So here I'm going to specify the name of the save file. So it is model save file. Okay. So I'm going to specify the mode here, which is WB, which opens the binary format for writing. So once I execute it, the model is saved to the disk. So you can see the model that is saved here. If you want to open and see the save file, you can edit it with the notepad++. So this will be in binary format. It is not in a readable format. So you can minimize this. Now I'm going to load the save file. So I'm going to specify here model and I'm going to load the save file. So I'm going to write pickle.load. I'm going to open and I'm going to open the save file. So here I'm going to write RB, which opens the binary file in a readable format. So once executed, the model will be. Now I'm going to use the model save file to make the prediction. So I'm going to write model dot predict, and I'm going to put 7 years of experience to see what is my salary. So if you see here, the salary is 7,183. So you can check what is the prediction made by my model. So this is how you can use the pickle library to save the model and reload it and predict it, use it later. So now I'm going to show you how to do the same with Joblib library. So you can import. Now I'm going to import Joblib. So after importing, I'm going to dump the save file. So I'm going to write joblib.dump and I'm going to use my model variable, which is regressor. I'm going to open. So here I'm going to write what is my save file name. So I'm going to write just save file to make it differ from the previous one. So I'm going to use WB. Okay, now the model is dumped in the location. You can see here the save file is created here. Now I'm going to load the model in my model1 variable, joblib.load, and I'm going to write RB mode here, which opens the binary file in a reading format. Okay, now I'm going to use the model1 to predict. You can see this is how we can use Joblib to make the prediction. So these predictions are similar because since I'm using the same model variable. So this is how we can use Joblib and pickle library to save the model and to load the model. So in this way, the predictions are made faster than the conventional methods. Hope you enjoy the video.